Hey, buddy. Oh, Nick took his own. He has a fucking board.
It's fully gutted. You gotta go. We took it to the track last time.
Oh, really? Full cage and everything?
No, it's gutted. Like, we have no seats in it. It's hilarious.
You're serious?
Yeah, there's no seats in it. We took it to the track.
What did it run?
14.6.
You're kidding.
We're at 14.6. We're at the same time as my car.
This was 14.5?
14.6. 14.6 at 95. I was 5,000 for the second last time.
No way.
Dude, how do you think I feel right now? I was pissed.
It's because this was heavy.
Yeah.
That's why. That's like 30 pounds alone.
Resistance right here. Yeah.
Oh yeah, that alone, that's like a second.
Hey, wait,
that's a second.
Wait, we have a legitimate reason why though. Yeah. The timing was off 25 degrees. And the car now officially revs out to like 8,800.
What was the problem?
Dizzy timing, and we changed.
Oh, so it didn't have enough advance.
Yeah, and so then we did the fuel filter as well.
Oh, so it acted like a two-step because it was just retarding the timing.
So when I got on it there, that was 8K.
Oh, really?
Yeah, finally.
Mom! Mom!
I had to.
Yeah, for sure, for sure.
So we're gonna go back, I think, not this weekend, but the weekend after. We're
Nice.
down,
If you want, you can take my slicks. You'll get a 13 probably.
I think it'll go with like a 14.0 right now, the way it sits, because it picks up a lot better. You know?
Yeah, it sounded like it was running perfect.
It's pretty happy right now.
It had the Honda Brap.
Finally.
Yep.
Finally.
Your hood fitment's kind of broken, bud.
Yeah, man. It's just because I got an accident, didn't have anything else to do, so I just put these pink spacers in there. So
Pink.
Pink's power color.
Yeah, pink for power.
Pink for power.
Pink for power.
Pink for power.
Purple.
This is crazy. I thought my car was cool.
Yep. Canadian 150.
This is sick.
Yep. All right, guys. Since you are detailing my car for free and sponsorship and all that, I couldn't be any more happier with it. So I was wondering if you guys wanted to go for a rip right now.
God,
yeah.
Yeah. I'm first. Oh, yeah. You can go first because I'm a gentleman. Go for it. Nice. Go for it. I've been dying to go for a ride in this thing forever.
It'll be in 5 minutes.
Every time we've gotten together or we've seen each other, it's either broken or we're both too busy.
Yeah.
Now is the time, like, because we showed up, I'm like, yeah, man. I'm like, he did say last time when we degreased it and got ready for the wrap.
I promised.
He's going to deliver. So. Time for a ride.
Yeah, let's go. That would have, like, I was second before red line. Like, we were going too much. It doesn't take long.
I didn't even look at your fucking dash. Wow, man.
Probably be fine. It's happened before.
Yeah.
It's fine. It's fine.
Couple scratches, we're good. Send it. It works good.
full left lane.
Yeah, I know. And it looked like you were fighting it.
Oh, I was fucking dead, man.
This setup is just...
Where's Min? Wait until you see me shift. Yeah, go ahead and film it if you want.
He's like, I lost my hat too. Wait a minute, I wasn't wearing a hat. This thing is nasty, dude.
Sounds cool, eh?
Oh my god.
They're like in harmony, like no blow offs, no intercooler,
Just raw.
just raw.
That's sick. We've known each other for how long? 4 years?
Or five.
It's the first time I've ever been in your car.
Yeah. Yes, sir. Yeah, fucking fifth gear, still crunching one of the trannies.
Oh, okay.
But yeah, we'll just cruise it out, turn around, then we'll let her eat. So crazy, crazy loud though, eh?
I thought it was
I'm
gonna
at
be
$3,000.
I thought it was gonna be a lot louder.
Yeah.
Like even in my car, it's hard to hold a conversation.
Yeah, exactly.
But this thing isn't that bad at all.
No.
But the sheer size of your nuts to make this whole thing fucking work just blows my mind.
Yeah.
It's insane.
I literally, I knew it was gonna work before I even tried it. I thought everything written shit down.
That's incredible, man. This is nuts.
Back engine's getting a little hot. It's okay though. Went down since I let it off. We were full left, full right. Thing.
No shit.
Yeah, she really walks down hard. And right now, like, obviously, you turn it all the way down. I'm fucking terrified to turn it up.
Oh god. I don't blame you, man.
Me and him did a second, fourth rip, and then we did a first, second, fourth rip. We'll do a first, second, fourth rip.
Okay.
And then just hit her back so the cops don't get me.
Yeah.
Like, nothing rubs either, right? Like,
It's insane.
I made everything like low profile.
Whoa! That got me off guard. Woo!
We're going 140 right now. It's like, it doesn't even feel like it.
Jesus! This thing's terrifying!
It's fucked up, eh?
Dude.
Turn all the way down. It made 630 on the dyno at like 14 pounds, and I'm at like 7 pounds.
Oh my god.
And the front engine's now capable of 600. So like, once I dial it in with the front,
Yeah.
that's the only limitation. Like, it's just the rear engine. But I'm getting torque steer. It didn't torque steer that
Oh,
hard.
the tires nice and a good trip, success. Because you guys were taking a little bit longer to come back, and I'm like, I hope to God. I'm like, this man just works so damn hard.
You're good. Isn't that crazy? The shifter though? Like,
Yeah.
and like I have 2 5-pucks punches. I gotta push in 2 5-pucks. And I'm shifting into that.
Your leg's gonna be so jacked.
I can't even tell anymore.
So why don't you go to third?
Third gear, I'd fucking break it right away.
Oh, do you? Oh, okay.
And it's good because then I'm one less shift. I'm not letting out a boost, right? Like I also do have no lift shift.
But
I don't
second
wanna-
to fourth, it still pulls like a bastard.
Oh yeah.
Holy
I'm
crap.
just going over there. This is a before.
I'm just gonna give my car an extra 50 horsepower and keep the glass.
Yeah, that always helps. But the thing is, man, with lightweight, you save your tranny.
Oh,
Yeah.
You save the load on your tranny, right?
That's the biggest killer is the weight, right?
Okay.
Car's done. All the detailing is good. DR did a sweet job. They were pretty much here all day. It's looking really good. Looks like a brand new car. This car's never looked this clean in the whole time I've had it. I love that view. Thanks, DR.